Here's a weird trick your future self will thank you for. Eat a spring roll before your meal. Not the heavy, deep-fried kind. Think fresh, Vietnamese-style rolls, crisp veggies, herbs, a lean protein. Picture this. You're hungry, you're ready to dive in, and you start with one cool, crunchy roll. Rice paper is super light, the veggies are full of water and fiber, and the herbs smell like you've just walked into a garden. In 5 bites, your brain gets a head start on satiety. Translation: you naturally eat slower and feel full on fewer calories. Here's the health payoff. Fiber from carrots, cabbage, and lettuce steadies blood sugar and curbs cravings. Lean protein, shrimp, tofu, or chicken, keeps hunger from boomeranging back an hour later. Herbs like mint and basil bring antioxidants and brighten digestion. Rice paper is low in calories and gluten-free friendly. A tangy dip, lime, rice vinegar, a touch of soy or tamari, adds flavor with minimal oil or sugar. Eat one roll first, and your main course becomes portion-controlled without counting anything. You chew more, rush less, and your stomach signals, "I'm good on time." Bonus: all that crunch massages your appetite like a volume knob. Down. Quick build. Soak rice paper 5 to 10 seconds. Layer lettuce, carrots, cucumber, herbs, protein. Roll tight. Dip in a light nuoc jam or a thin peanut lime sauce if you need creamy. Just go easy. Do it before lunch or dinner for a week. Watch your energy feel steadier. Your portions shrink themselves. And your late night snacking chill out. One fresh spring roll, 2 minutes to make. A whole lot of wins for your body. Now tell me, what's going in your roll today?
For more healthy diets tips, kindly like, share, and subscribe to this channel.